Let's make a cute alien and comet lunchbox. Cut a sausage in half lengthwise on a diagonal. Make 6 small cuts at the ends to create arms and legs. Cut a small slit for the mouth. Boil the sausage, then press in black sesame seeds for the eyes, and your alien sausage is ready. Cut an avocado in half and place a boiled egg in the pit hollow. Now you have a comet. Let's pack everything into the bento box. Let's make an alien wrap. We are making a chicken BLT wrap. Cook the chicken tenderloins and bacon in a frying pan. Take 1 tortilla and place it on a clean surface. Cut from the edge to the center. Spread Sriracha mayo over it. Place 1/4 of each ingredient on the tortilla sections, starting with chicken tender, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and finally cheese. Fold each section over the next to form a triangle. Toast in a sandwich press until crispy. Make the alien's eyes using cheese and noi, and cut out the mouth shape from noi using scissors. Now let's start packing the bento. Thanks for cooking with me today. I'd love to hear which bento was your favorite, so let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.